Friends, so in this video we are going to discuss practice question for GRE Quant portion. And before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda and I am former student of IISc Bangalore MTech Mechanical course. In GATE exam, I have secured AR66 in Mechanical background. So here is your very first question on your screen. The letters in the list. There are 5 letters: G, H, I, J and K are to be arranged so that G is the third letter in the list. We are arranging these 5 letters in a sequence. G should be the third letter in the list and H is not next to G. Right? H is not next to G. How many such arrangements are there? So we had studied permutations and combinations. So this is the case of permutation. This is the case of arrangement. 5 letters are there. We are given with 2 conditions. Right? We are given with 2 conditions. If you want to arrange these 5 letters without any conditions, if you arrange these 5 letters without any condition, then you can fill this place. You can fill this place by any 1 letters out of these 5. We can't repeat, right? Repetition is not allowed. You have to put 1 letter at 1 place only. So this place can be filled by 5 ways. We have used 1 letter, so this place can be filled by remaining 4 letters. Similarly, we can put remaining 3 letters over here, 1 out of remaining 3. In this we can put 1 out of remaining 2 letters. And in this we can put remaining letter. So we can just multiply this and arrangements will be, that is 5 factorial, right? 120. We are not having any constraint. So answer will become 120 if we want to arrange them without any condition. But here we are having 1 condition. So we are following that condition. So I have marked 5 places. G is the third letter in the list. G is the third letter in the list. So you can count from left hand side. You can count from left hand side or you can count from right hand side. You take third from left, first, second and third. You take third from right, first, second and third. So G will be over here, right? From both the sides, G will be over here. Okay. Now we want to place H, but H is not next to G. H can't be here or H can't be here. H is not next to G. So if you want to place H, we can place H over here, right? We can place H over here or we can place H over here. I am writing one more case because there are 1 more case is possible. I am putting G in the third position, right? You can put H here as well. Yes? Okay. Now we are left with 3 letters. We have used H and G. We are left with I, J and K. And there are no constraints left in this question. So if you want to fill this place, there are 3 available options. Out of these 3, you can put any 1 letter. Okay. Now we are left with 2 letters and out of these 2, you can put any 1 letter over here. And now we are left with only 1 letter. So we have to put that letter over here. H and G are fixed, right? So in this case, we'll be getting how many possible arrangements? That will be 3 into 2 into. So in this case, we are going to get 6 possible arrangements, right? And from second measure case, you can fill this place by 3 ways. You can fill this place by 2 ways, and you can fill this place by 1 ways. So in this case, we are going to get 6 arrangements. So total possible arrangements will be 6 plus 6, right? So our answer will be option C, 12 is correct answer for this question. Okay. Let us move on the next question. This question is very interesting. We are given with one expression. -1 is less than x, is less than y, is less than 0. X and y are between -1 and 0, and y is greater than x. Right? X and y are real numbers between -1 and 0, and y is greater than x. Which of the following shows expressions x into y, x square y, and xy square in order from least to greatest? 5 options are given to us. Least to greatest means we have to arrange these 3 terms in ascending order. Right? You have to arrange these 3 terms in ascending order. X and y are following these inequalities. Options are given to us. So we have to become very smart to eliminate few options. Can we say x is in this interval? Right? Y is also in this interval, and y is greater than x. Okay. So x and y both are negative numbers. X and y both are negative numbers. So whenever you are multiplying two negative numbers, their product will be positive. Whenever you are multiplying two negative numbers, right, x and y both are negative. So their product will be positive. So x into y is positive. What about this? X square into y. Right? You can write x square y is equal to x into y. So whenever you are multiplying 3 negative numbers, these all 3 numbers are negative. So product of any 3 negative numbers will be negative. So this term will be negative. Product of 3 negative numbers will be negative. Similarly, this term will also be negative. And we have to arrange them in ascending order. Right? So from this we got that xy will be greatest. So it is positive. Other two are negative. So xy will be greatest. So on extreme right hand side there will be xy. Right? Xy is greatest because x into y square and y into x square both are negative. So option A, B and C can't be correct. We are left with only 2 options, that is B and D. We have to choose sequence of this. We have to compare xy square, x square y. Okay. So I am using this inequality. We know that x is less than y. We know that x is less than y. And x into y is greater than 0. Right? X into y is positive quantity. So can we multiply by x into y on both the sides because it is positive quantity? So this inequality sign will not change. Right? So I can multiply by xy on both the sides. See, if 2 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5, then you can multiply by any positive quantity, right? You can multiply by 10 on both the sides. So 50, 20 is less than 50, right? I have used this approach to get required answer. So it will become x square y less than xy square. So x square y will be least. X square y will be least, and we know that xy is the greatest. First x square y, then xy square, and then xy. So option E is correct answer for this question. right? Okay, so let's move on the next question. This question is easy compared to earlier question. If j and k are even integers, j and k are even integers, j is less than k. Okay, j and k are even integers, j is less than. Which of the following equals the number of even integers that are greater than j and less than k? K both are even integers, j is less than k. So in between j and k, how many even integers will be there? Which of the following option equals to number of even integers that are greater than j but less than k? And all the options are in form of j and k, right? So we can assume values of j and k which are satisfying given conditions. J and k should be even integers and k is greater than j. So can I take j equal to 2 and k equal to 4? Right? Both are even integers and k is greater than j. So how many even integers are there between 2 and 4? Right? What is this saying? It's saying that how many numbers are there that are greater than j? Right? If n is an even integer that is greater than 2 but less than 4. So there is no even integer that is greater than 2 but less than 4. Right? So our answer will be 0. There are zero even integers, right? Between these. So options are j and k. So we have to put these values of j and k. So we will put j equal to 2, k equal to 4 and we want 0 as an answer. So in option A, we are putting k equal to 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. In option B, 4 minus 3 by 2, that is not 0. Right? So if you put in options, option A will be correct. Right? Because between for values of j and k 2 and 4, there won't be any positive even integer. Okay, let's take one more example. You can take k equal to 6. Right? You can take k equal to 6. So you'll be getting only one even integer between 2 and 6. That will be 4. It is only one even integer. Right? So answer should be 1. There is only one even integer. Right? So if you will put k equal to 6 and j equal to 2 in this, put k equal to 6, 6 minus 2 minus 2. So 2 by 2 will become 1. So option A is correct. Right? You can put these values in other options, but it won't satisfy. Find number of even integers. You can also take 2 and 8, but it will be somewhat lengthy. You can take 8 and 10. It will be easier for you to get the answer. Which of the following is closest to square root of 2.3 into 10 raised to 9? We have to take a square root of this and we have to choose closest option from following 5 options. So it's very easy, I think. We can just simplify this. We can just simplify this. We can write 23 into 10 raised to 9. 10 raised to 8, right? I have given 110 to 2.3, so 23 to 10 raised to 8, whole raised to 1 by 2. So we can take a square root of 10 raised to 8. It will become 23 raised to 1 by 2 into, this will become 10 raised to 8 into 1 by 2, 10 raised to 4. Right? So we have to just approximate. We know square root of 25 is 5. What are our options? 50,000, 1,50,000, 5 lakh. So this is 10,000, right? This term is nothing but 10,000, right? Square root of 23. Square root of 23 will be less than 5, right? So if you are putting 5, we are getting answer is 50,000. Actual answer will be less than 50,000, right? But we have to just choose closest answer. So option B, C, D, any can't be your answer. We'll choose option A. Getting value somewhat lesser than 50,000. We have to choose closest option. So option A will be correct answer for this question. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like it, do share it, and subscribe the channel. See you guys in our upcoming video.